Hi, my name is Lewis Gilman. I'm a chartered accountant and businessman. Google Search Network ads can be a marvelous method to attract new customers and win more business. However, this kind of advertising, known as PPC or pay per click, can be particularly expensive. You thus need to follow a structured approach to undertaking Google Search Network ads and know what you are doing. I'm a practical sort of character, so in my course you get both the theory and access to 2 supercharged spreadsheets which will allow you to push your Google Search Network ads to another level. We start off with keyword research within the Excel model. We then take these keywords and generate for each campaign 81,000 keywords, 30 ads, 30 ad groups, and 10 ad extensions. All of this is created within the space of an afternoon using the power of Google AdWords Editor. I am an accountant after all, so once our ads are running, it is essential to use the power of Google reporting to maximize your campaigns further. Enroll now in my course to propel yourself to another level of Google Search Network ad creation. See you soon.